In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy auto parts on Dhgate. We'll walk through the exact path on the site and highlight what to check so you pick the right part the first time. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com. This is a large online marketplace, so the quickest way to the right section is to use the site's category navigation. Look toward the left-hand side of the homepage. There, click on All Categories. This expands the full directory and makes it easy to drill down without guessing search terms. From the expanded list, choose Automobiles and Motorcycles. That's the umbrella section for everything vehicle related. Next, click Auto Parts. This takes you into the dedicated area for components and accessories. Once the page loads, you'll see a broad list of products and deals related to auto parts. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll also see a panel of filters and subcategories. This is where you can narrow your results by type. You'll find options like vehicle tools, car care, and individual auto part categories. Use these to refine your browsing so you're only seeing items relevant to what you need, whether that's engine components, lighting, or exterior trim. When you see a specific auto part that looks right, click into the product page to view the details. Before checking out or adding anything to your cart, slow down and review the product information thoroughly. Scroll to the specifications section. This is where sellers list the essential fitment details. Confirm the model field matches the exact part variant you're after. Many parts have small differences by trim or engine type, so this field matters. Also confirm the model of the auto part as described by the seller, such as the exact part name or code used in the listing. Then verify the model year range. Make sure your vehicle's year falls within the supported years shown. If the listing provides multiple options, select the variation that matches your vehicle's model and year precisely. A few quick tips while you're on this page. Check photos for mounting points and connectors, read buyer reviews to confirm real-world fit, and note shipping timelines and return policies in case the part isn't compatible. If the specifications aren't crystal clear, look for a compatibility note on the page before proceeding. That's the full path. Go to the site, open all categories on the left, choose Automobiles and Motorcycles, select Auto Parts, browse with the left side categories, and most importantly, verify the specifications, model, the part's exact model label, and the model year before you move forward.